Let's shake a bit.
Frankly speaking, I don't get certain things, yeah. The last time I was with my wife to be brother.
SERWAA.
Yeah. I mean a brother.
See CONFION.
Yeah. He was talking so much, yeah. I don't know, I'm confused. Like the way he was speaking, like it seems the guy got somebody, yeah.
Hold on. The way CONFION was speaking, it means or you think or he told you SERWAA is dating someone?
No, like I'm thinking like I don't know whether it is real or fake.
Wait.
He was speaking in parables, yeah.
So almost person almost try and say SERWAA is dating or SERWAA is doing all sort of things or
because listen, he just told me I have to be careful. Like he was asking me if I'm in London and somebody just come for my girlfriend and blah blah, and I told him that I'm gonna shoot that person, shank that person, yeah. So I don't know. CONFION was telling you, yeah, if you were in Ghana, yeah, and somebody is in London, then, yeah, and the person come, yeah, and take your girlfriend away, yeah. What will you do? What will I do? And I just told him that I'm gonna do that, innit? I'm just confused and I don't know what to do because already you know we are on preparation to the wedding, yeah. I've bought so many things and you have invited so many people, so I'm confused and
all this thing I don't really understand. So SERWAA is involved in something. Is that not what CONFION is trying to say?
Yeah, he was so hushy, he was so pompous, and I don't know.
My problem is I think I suspect them because the last time we went to that place, the way this guy was behaving, it was so suspicious.
No, that's his brother. You feel it?
Hey, my brothers, people who relate can do something. I mean, they always do that.
No, because
some of them don't always do that. Probably he's in love with his sister.
No, that can never be possible because I used to speak with this guy when I was in London, yeah, and he was so happy. So I don't know the reason why. Maybe you are a Ghana, you know, you got to be smart because you are in Ghana here. Probably maybe his sister is doing something that he don't like. So why don't we go there, go and talk to them and let them know what it is, you feel it?
Oh.
Yeah.
So she's trying to play smart, right?
Yeah, but
she thinks she's stupid, so she's trying to play smart.
Innit, man.
Okay, so SERWAA is in Ghana here fooling around. And you've been spending on this girl. Whilst this girl is sleeping around.
Yeah, that's what his brother just told me. Me. So shall we go there?
Let's go there. Drive.
Listen. I'm gonna drive, but please you got to calm down.
Why should I calm down?
No.
Why will somebody claim she loves my brother and this same person is, doing all sorts of things outside?
We don't have the concrete evidence, innit? So we got to be...
Hey, but the evidence is clear.
No, the brother is just saying it. So we have to be cool and get the concrete evidence, you feel it?
Birds of the same feathers flock together. That's what I know.
I know.
And that brother of hers, they are related. So obviously, he knows everything about SERWAA.
True.
He knows when SERWAA goes out and comes in. He knows it. So I will advise you, let's go now. Let's go and ask SERWAA what she has been doing. We have to let the family know all this kind of things. What nonsense?
Are you sure?
Let's go there.
But please don't go fight there. Don't go make noise there. Okay, let me drive down and move, yeah.
How can you be so stupid like that?
Okay.
How can you be so? How can a man be spending on you and you be doing your things, your ashawo things?
It's okay.
Let's go.
If
I meet SERWAA,
it's okay.
If I meet SERWAA,
let's go.
I even warned you. You too, Ankasa. You be something else. Because I warned you.
No,
that this Facebook thing. This Facebook thing.
No, just relax. Just relax. You feel it? Just relax. Okay, just relax.
You met a girl on Facebook.
No.
And you start spending on this girl.
Just relax for me, yeah. I know how much you
care. A girl you don't even know.
I know how much
you start spending on this girl. Let's go to their house.
You care for me, yeah.
You let's go to their house.
Okay.
What?
Na wo dia na how.
There be me here.
Wo ya da me won.
Se TELEMO ni nipa na ba. Mo ko ji anu ma ba be di.
Na wo di bi.
Say na mo de man. We all buy the speaker be.
I
don't even ask. Don't even ask. Don't even ask. Who is your in-law?
This is my in-law.
Who is your in-law? Who is your in-law? Madam, where is your sister? Madam, I am not here for joke. I did not come here to joke. What's in the matter? Miss, your sister no way.
That's what you
do. Then the time will come. Papa,
maybe I will come and say, "Most of me do not be."
That's what they are buying.
No, they may not be able to say. Daina, Opa, you know, the catcher say, "Will be our what channel now." Master be a master. Master be a master. When I went to be now, when you are moving, the balance of you.
Our problem is, brother, sorry.
Actually, I got you. I'll catch him. I said, but then you are not by my.
Yes, yes, I'm doing catching you. So I'm explaining it to you. You was so many
sister now, but so bad you are.
I was saying, this is for us, and we see I drove one. Sister, hey, sister, wouldn't you have been? I don't know who
I see.
See, you know, could you believe, sir? See, nothing I have to drop. I'm a catcher, my brass, sir. Actually, who flew? Say what TELEMO? Oh, we'll put the task come and you're hanging at the first number. And you're hanging now, you're chancing.
See the cat,
CONFION.
Sister and sister. And then no crack. People do
like he told me I should stay away unless I'm gonna be sure.
What's say? Maybe I'm not telling you. See the commit to live. Let's say live now forever. We tell you now.
Soon what papa do you mean? Also more with your drama. No come as a macadam. Come and you will come as a no. Oh, wow, me baby. Oh, yeah, madam. Madam, you are the master of the so. Special. No come as a
sister, the woman say, and then no pregnant. Many are on fire, very much. Men make a talk. Men the more down for Robert for them to be young.
Madam, just go for that case.
I swear by living God. Sister, what do you mean? Men are never by my door. That's it, I can say you need. Who's on your name? Oh, for a bad man. See the people. You privacy. You're woman, say.
Hey, you can lie.
One person in your brother. And why for what you feel and test.
Really?
Yeah, I swear by living God.
But you saying your sister was a virgin, but frontly speaking, it was so big.
Yeah, well, maybe I say. Of course, I said,
yeah, but it's so big. But I got to consider it.
I said,
what type of food?
Secondary virgin, innit?
Yeah.
hey, and maybe I didn't know how kind of year. A poor. A poor.
Auto deal.
What
What is what food that? And that's but.
And I also not a bishop. Sister, they're not going to woman. Who shall I be? Who would like
to make them their sister the team, the patch. And to sad that, blood. Maybe on the phone, far bear mother. Anna, the woman, you said, what do you mean? What do you woman? What was this? I'm a one, what do you mean? No, now what do you surprised? Let us see what you can on the table, you know. See what Philip minutes, one, where you are crack. Now, the other said, what do you see? One person in your bed, and also what else I did.
But you shouldn't lie to me.
Now about shorting.
Oh, Miss
Madam, yeah, but yeah, Casach though. When you see confused, I walk fast, you say, who boss, I would hear. Man, a woman, threaten now, threaten in the deal.
Maybe you must stand.
Man, a woman,
maybe you must
have a brand where come to
put me a stress, and now so. And then let's see how we will say.
What in the rock on London, summer in it. What do you put it 8 million? That's telegraph. Come on, now come just another come.
Let's talk. I'm cool. Yeah. Okay.
Let me put 13 million.
Sis, just give us some space.
What's it? Give us a fund.
I beg you, yeah. Give me some space, yeah.
Like seriously.
Yeah.
My brother will not you.
Your brother.
Yes, my brother. The one you married her.
No, your sister.
Yeah, she loves you. So don't mind anybody. If you see something is the good, the bad things is the back in the day. You get me?
I got you.
So don't worry. I'll talk to you.
Okay, just walk.
It's not happening.
Just thinking
Rob.
about it's getting closer to a wedding.
It's not happening.
I don't want anything bad, you feel it? So, okay, ciao. No thinking, no nothing, no quarrel, no shouting, yeah? May you be safe, yeah? Don't punish me, no?
Don't touch me.
No, you insult me.
No, I said I can shout.
You mean sure, God bless you, innit?
Hey.
Okay.
Papa, let's hear of you. Me and in a power, no problem. 2 million.
Sister, find out what it is.
It's okay, let's do it.
What's it shooting me? Shooting at it. What's it to me? What's it to me?
What, you guys, it seems, why are you always fighting, yeah?
Ask him.
Have a fight, mister.
Oh, do you want me to explain?
Oh, baby, you have a
Oh, Mr. Pepe. Wait, I got a bar. I say you go check S5.
Oh.
What do you want to tune in with the thing?
Pour down.
Mom, what's your
Pour down.
I said no.
Okay, so bad me back. Me, person, me come here. Nipa na wo ka mi no. Me ba so.
What's the Pepe?
Me ba so.
What's the Pepe? What's the Pepe? What's the Pepe?
Odima. Me need go any problem. Me need problem.
Obi abo ka sani wa.
God father no.
Obi abo ka sani wa.
Me me kamo. What me kamo?
Ti agro. Ti agro.
Hey, you go in there. Black. Hold your sister to go. Hold it.
Okay, let's do this, yeah. Okay, ciao, yeah?
Hey!
Hey now beka.
See CONFION.
Hey now beka.
Abusa.
Sika bia mu bedi.
Mo flock up.
Me flock. E juba be na me.
Anyone dey do that dey no jamo.
Me hu de ba.
Na see CONFION. Say what na me tie. Me dey say what na
Won ko mu ko ku.
You want to be this for bechi me.
Wa bo no ho kai.
Me ba bia me dey do what na papa dey say what na bechi me bia to.
Odi me kwa abruchi.
What was that by say? What you do?
Wo de oye ye no ko de achemu. De oye ye no ko de achemu. Sika bia mu bedi. Ono atiti ni mo wure ma sabi. Wate ga na ha na wa hwe nipa na. Mo se tete mo hu boga. To de be kwa akoma boga. Yo mo chire wa pompam. Na mo de mo ntwai mo.
That's a problem. I'm resting.
Obenya rest in peace.
So let me rest in peace. I'm a fan of happy. Me ba go see CONFION. Ma me no
Ebia na be kwa. Ono brad o de achemu. O de afiri mo. Na mo ntwai. Kuno se wa no mo ntwai. Se ono obi bi di unu abia ma ko bi. What see asem ko?
I'm happy.
Na una apebre. Onye okojiba no adi. Okojiba no adi. Na mo de mu nyina mo ntwa obi abede ne de. Wasi asem na mo de titifia.
See CONFION do sir. Says you have more opportunity. And you dear man as see CONFION wetin china ko pe second I to say freedom and justice. Just open na see any man no. What when you see opportunity no and dey go get cancel.
No, Sakano, there be two or no, I will not you.
Well.
Hey, man, about you.
Don't you know I'm on your woman?
Now, then I will see you that.
Now, I want to work on I want to work on what you can at my well.
Manoro, I may make a bien as a man who are being
my brew, my bro.
Now, you came on a last of man.
You came on there.
Man or Bahana, Bogabino, or Blue in citizen.
And my customer obey you.
Now, we see as a man in trust.
But say, we are not. I mean, I am asking you to the trust. Hey,
I see the Unia, the Bibiania, you are a catch though. You know me, you are a catch though. But I say, we mean, I was American man, and I say, you came my latte. You know, I was in
Hey, see I confirm. Who the 777 here? I don't know that I also want to do what this is. ya no e dey nkwansa na boka tell me nua ne ku no e dey some food na ko di tell no ma me ka to krate fa won kwasi asa no some food fefe no so ko na kwai wo dia wo me ampo no na to me ampo no asika ba wo fie na na wo pu no to wo fi me nua no that's how we are ready to go to who feel to do my to who feel na nya de ko so tsam na tsino no ma ka to da no tse no I said na be sister kan check the body wo so ba na me wo chinam e so ba na me krati woni na ho ma woni na ho what is ma just everybody say mistake pa wo ya na wo pepa na ye ya wo ya le ma na pa de na ye ma na pa de